Hello guys, RiderTech here, and I think that I should also talk about mental health and what riding is for me. It's a major topic for a lot of channels. It's something that I don't talk about, but I follow some channels about finances and personal life and how you basically organize stuff. And one of the major things that everybody talks about is that men don't talk about their problems. We just close ourselves and nobody gives a shit. And basically, it's something that has become more pronounced as our society moves to even more work and less leisure, less support, smaller families. Basically, guys are alone. You don't talk about your problems. You don't confide in anyone. You just bottle it up and you are the rock for the family. And I'm not immune to this. I just have an escape method, a way to just what are these guys? Okay, the guy is leaving. I just have a method to this madness to keep myself sane, and for me it's riding the bike. At the moment, it's 6 Celsius. It's cold. It's winter. There's maybe ice on the road. I don't know. You can see that the grass is white, so there's ice. There's fog, but goddamn, I need to get myself on the bike and ride a little bit because I need to clear my head. And I found that besides working out and or doing or swimming, for me swimming also works. Riding the bike is better. You do a light exercise, you don't feel sore afterwards. You get that rush of the adrenaline, but mainly you are forced to stay focused, to stay in the moment, and that's what you need, especially when you have all this stuff around you. And this last year has been a little bit hard for me. There has been personal stuff that I will not talk about, it's personal, but it has been a hard year, and the bike has kept me sane. Whenever I feel that everything is overwhelming, I just get on the bike and I just burn some fuel, I burn some rubber, and it makes myself feel alive, makes myself feel in control. There's so much stuff that you can't control that I sometimes think that if I didn't ride, guys, I would be on some kind of made some kind of shit. But this keeps me sane. And I think there are more of you out there that do the same thing as me. That use your rides as a therapy, as a way to keep yourselves grounded, to keep yourselves in the moment. So tell me, guys, do you feel the same? Do you feel that riding is half therapy, half adrenaline fix, or you just enjoy riding because it's freedom? Tell me. And if you feel wrong, get on the bike and just ride on, ride on. See you guys. Hope you can see because I just noticed that my visor is fogging. So, see ya.